Hi guys, Michelle here. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. I'm so glad you're here. Now I've been having problems with my shoulder, so I put these babies on and I painted over this previously poured painting. And when I used the paint, what I used in the last one was a color art, so you can kind of see that it's bleeding through. So hopefully that won't be an issue, but the colors I'm using are going to be somewhat close. Oh, speaking of colors, this is, now it was originally Amsterdam greenish blue mixed with TLP in glisten, but it wasn't pearling, so I added a little bit. Oh, did I see a chunk? Oh, I did. Yeah, I saw a little bit of Artist Loft metallic cobalt blue, because that is an opaque. So these are colors I used yesterday. This is golden, quinacridone, magenta. This is a mixture of Atelier blue black and a little bit of Amsterdam Expert Series in Indanthrane blue. And I think, did I add something else to this? I don't think so. And we have our golden green gold. We have our Amsterdam sky blue. We have Modern Masters iridescent pearl white. And we have TLP ore, my favorite. All right, so I'm gonna get busy doing this painting. I'm getting a test tomorrow to try and get to the bottom of this vertigo crap I'm dealing with. So hopefully I'll get some answers, and hopefully that won't all bleed through. So this is, once again, the Artist Loft Flow White, which is the original recipe. I have more of this if I need it, but I mixed it. This is a 20-inch canvas. It usually takes 16 ounces. I didn't put 16 ounces because we've got other paints to put down. We'll see if this works out. Bring it back to center and bring it down. Let it flow off. Help it out. So I have the trap set up tonight. I put some marshmallows in it because I know my cats won't like marshmallows, but apparently opossums do. And I don't know if I have enough paint here. Well, I've got a lot. I'm gonna scoop that up. Oh my goodness. Okay, just going to reuse this because I don't like to waste. And there's a bug. There we go. And it is, look at, see? It's bleeding through. Well, this will be an interesting painting. Uh-oh. That's what happens when you scrape it off a surface. I see it. All right, and we'll bring it down. Now I noticed my sides, whoa, now it's really coming down. My sides were not completely covered on last night's painting, so I'm making sure that I get them. That's all covered. Oh, see, there's a bald spot there. Yeah, see how it's bleeding through? That's the color art. And it's a cool effect. But if you're gonna paint over another paint, you know, like this kind of a painting, then you have to just be mindful of that. All right, I'm trying a different lighting situation here tonight, see if that works better. All right. bleeding right through. That's okay. We'll figure it out. Okay, so my first color, I did a test how and the colors are just spectacular. And I think I'm gonna do just a straight line. Well, diagonal line anyways. So that was the pearl, then the gold. Then we're gonna do the sky blue. Then we're going to do the green gold. It's pretty strong stuff. And then we're gonna do this one. I haven't tested this out with the Artist Loft yet. I do wanna put a lot of it on because of the effect it did. So then I'm gonna put the magenta. I know, it looks like weird colors, right? And then this blue. All right, here we go. Will it be a tipping now? It's a lot of paint. Here we go. Whoa, Wilbur. Cool. And you won't believe what happens with that navy blue. I should say the blue black. Okay, I'm gonna bring it back this way. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Oh, this one's a little loose. I made it loose because I made sure I had it, I'll have to fix that in a minute. I had to make sure it was level. And that's what I did to make it level. I scared it a bit. Ooh, me likey. I didn't expect to have this much color on it, but hopefully it pearls up really nice. Looks like it's going to. Okay, there we go. Ooh. So let's see if it does what I think it's gonna do. And yeah, I'm gonna put you on the turquoise with the green gold. It makes some really outrageous, beautiful colors together. Don't want that much blue. Well, it should pearl up though, so I'm gonna leave it. All right, which one? This one was. Okay. Almost makes like a viridian blue. Oh, that's not the right way. Went the wrong way. Okay. Oopsie. Oh no! There we go. There. Are you guys straight? Oh, that's not good lighting. There's a huge glare. Well, I get up on the, I don't want it to fall over. All right, I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse and I'm gonna try and deal with that light. So I'll be back in a few. Guys, this went through a lot, and quite frankly, I like it right now, but I don't know that it's going to dry like this. I don't know that it's going to dry at all. I think there's a massive amount of paint on there. Try to blow it off, but whatever. So yeah, there's sometimes you should stop, and then other times, oh, maybe I could make it better, you know, so whatever. It's not horrible. But I don't think it's going to dry like this. And it's kind of sink into the center. So what I did was I cut a 16-ounce cup, cut the top off out of it to fit it underneath the canvas in the center. So it's like right there underneath. So everything doesn't just pool to the center. So it might like look quite different in the morning, but I don't know. I mean, it looks very springy. I just got to a point where, you know, and the catalyst wedge wasn't a bad idea. I should have stopped then. I should have stopped way before then, but everything was pooling. That happens with older canvases, even though I did spray the back of it. So we'll see what it looks like in the morning. Well, it looks a lot better than what was underneath. Anyways, I love the colors. So thanks for watching, guys. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe, and ciao for now. Let me know what you think of this one.